Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Welcome back. So again we are here, physical education and sports for children with special need. It is chapter 4 and it is part 2. In previous part we talk about the disability and disorders. So now type of disabilities. Types of disability. First one is mental disability. Second one is intellectual disability. Third one is physical disability. Okay, these three disabilities are there. Mental, here we can take it cognitive also. Cognitive disability. Disability, you know, a individual having any impairment, visual, hearing, physical impairment, motor skills are not properly, any body part is not working properly, cause of any accident, genetics, malnutrition, any nuclear attack, cause of that radiation. Many things are there behind the disability. So these three disabilities are there. Stepwise we will do the all three disabilities. First one is cognitive. Cognitive disability. Cognitive, it is related to mental functions, if mental functions are not proper, so it is known as cognitive disability. One more thing we can say, mental function failure with logics, means any logic or we can say reasoning type of work is there in front of us, or a person cannot do that work properly, so that is known as the cognitive disabilities. Cognitive disability, it's hamper in the life of individual for acquiring knowledge. Means if a person having a cognitive disability, then he cannot gain proper knowledge about the about any type of logic, any type of topic. He will face, definitely an individual will face problem in the cognitive disability. You know that our brain have a three part: conscious, subconscious and unconscious. Conscious, subconscious and unconscious. I given a gap in between conscious and subconscious. So conscious mind, it is related to cognitive, means जो चीज़ें हमारे सामने घटित हो रही हैं, the incidents, the phenomena are happening in front of us with open eyes. We can watch them, we can observe them, we can if any problem cause of that phenomena we will face, we can crack them. But the problem, the person having a cognitive disability, then he cannot handle that problem easily with the help of the normal person. He can handle the problem with the help of normal person, individually he cannot handle. Okay, so subconscious mind and unconscious. Subconscious, it is near the unconscious mind, where that unconscious, cognitive, subconscious, sometime what happen, we are thinking about or anything come in front of us, or we have to solve that problem, automatically idea came from subconscious, but nothing can come from the unconscious. When we are sleeping, on that time something going on in our mind, that is came from the unconscious mind. But everything stored in the subconscious or unconscious. Okay, when that conscious, cognitive, that is not working properly, that is known as the cognitive disability. Okay, a person who is having cognitive disability, he will face to gain knowledge, problem in attention. He cannot gain proper knowledge, he will face problem in the attention, like we have to concentrate also, coordination, these are the areas where the person who is having cognitive disability, he will face problem, even in the judgment also. Okay, when any problem is there, a decision we have to take, the person who is having cognitive disability, he cannot take the decision immediately. Okay, cognitive disability, three types. Even articulating the views, sometimes we are speaking the articulate the views. A person who is having cognitive disability, he will face the problem in the articulating the views also. So three things here given, that is who is having cognitive disability. First one is memory disorder. A person who is having cognitive disability, he will face the memory disorder, means he cannot remember the thing easily. Like yesterday what the work they have done, maybe tomorrow they forgot how a individual was completed the work yesterday. These type of problem they will face. Hyperactivity. Hyperactivity means like a person who is having cognitive disability, he will become hyperactive. हद से ज़्यादा हलचल करना, एक्टिविटीज़ करना. They cannot concentrate on the thing one time on one thing. Scattered mind, fully scattered mind, here and there. Sometime checking the things, चीज़ों को उलट पलट कर देना, इस तरह की हरकतें. Okay. Third one, dyslexia. Dyslexia. Problem in learning. Okay. Dyslexia. So these are the three things in cognitive disability. So second one is there after cognitive disability, intellectual disability. Intellectual disability. Intellectual disability, these ability take place, these or this. Take place in the children or adolescents. Means the age 0 to 18. Problem in this intellect karna means we have to face the thing or we have to observe the thing. We can correct the reasoning questions also. These type of thing under the intellectual ability. But disability, a person who cannot face the situations easily, he will face problems through the situations. He cannot do the reasonings, mean any logical thing come in front of them, so he cannot easily solve the problem. Or even IQ level will low in intellectual disability. Okay. Learning, reasoning, problem solving difficulty, a individual who is having intellectual disability, he will face in these type of things. IQ level will be very low, or a individual with intellectual disability, he cannot adapt. He cannot easily adapt with society or environment. We know we are living in the environment, different type of environment are there, seasons are there. Sometime the person who is having intellectual disability, when he will go in the society, so different type of people he have seen, so he cannot adjust according to them. These type of people, they can adjust, they will take time. Like in a family, anybody having an intellectual disability, with the passage of time he adjusts himself with them, because they know the problem of the individual, in which type of field, in which type of things he have a problem, they help them, so he adjusts with them. But whenever he go in new situation with new people, so on that time he will face the problem, because he cannot adapt them easily. So it is the intellectual disability. Physical disability. Physical disability. Physical disability, we can say a person who is not physically fit and fine. Any type of disease is there, like polio, any type of genetic disorder or disability is there, like parents were not having a legs, same that phenomena happen with the child also after birth, or sometime cause of accident, many type of incidents happening because we are living in the life of technology and machinery. So chances of incident or accident, it is also increased, because if we saw past time when there was only cycle was there, no accidental case. Nowadays, you know, vehicles are running on the highways every time, day in day out. Not a single time we can saw a road that free from the vehicles. So chances are there of the accident, or in these accident people lose their hands, people lose their legs, some having a head injury, any body part they lose cause of the accident. So these are known as the physical disability. Any type of impairment is there, any body part is not working properly, cause of any accident, cause of by birth, cause of malnutrition, cause of environment, all things are under the physical disability reason. Some disabilities are given there. Brain injury, spinal cord injury, reason behind that. Brain injury, spinal cord injury, accident, cerebral palsy, these are the disabilities. Cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy, so many more are there. Physical disability then we can observe from outside. Whenever we saw the outer dimension of the individual body posture, so through that we can observe easily the person is having physical disability. Or sometime a disability we can observe when he start working involved with him, when we start conversation with them, we start working with the individual, when we observe the person is having physical disability. Okay, these are the names, some are given. Or physical, it is related to with the total anatomy, or one more thing, health related physical fitness components, that is strength, speed, endurance we cannot say, but reason may be there, flexibility, but strength, speed, muscles, bones, or through that mobility of the body. If any problem or impairment is there in the mobility of the joints, that is also under the physical disability. One more, postural deformity. Postural deformities, these are under the physical disability. So for today this much. 3 disability we completed, that is intellectual disability, physical disability and cognitive disability. Next part we will do the reason behind that, why disability take place, why disability occur with the individual in their lifestyle. That thing we will do in the next part. For today this much. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. थैंक यू.